Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's tap on the gestures. They should be on the second position, and again on the second position we've got the system navigation option, so let's tap. And as you can see right here we've got the animation of how to use the 3-button navigation, so let's scroll down just a little bit, and here we've got this option applied. If you will decide that you want to stick with this option, I just wanted to say that here you can also customize it just by tapping on the settings icon. You can simply change, for example, the combination of the navigation buttons. You can add the one to open notification panel, or you can keep it hidden. You can reorder the resends and the back button. It's of course up to you. Here you've got also the navigation bar. You can turn it on or off, but let me get back. And in order to set the gestures, actually, just tap on gesture navigation. And here again we've got the animation, of course, which will show us of how to use this mode. As you can see, we cannot see the 3 buttons navigation. Right here we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. Of course, I'll show you later on. What's more, we can also customize the gestures, so just tap on this icon, and here we can change the back sensitivity from the left and also from the right. So it simply means that if you will set it higher, then this blue area, which is responsible for catching your touches and be receptive for your touches, will be bigger. So it's of course up to you how you want to set it. I highly recommend to get back to this gesture settings after using the gestures for a while, because you will know which option will be the best for you. Alright, so now let me explain how the gestures work. So basically, in order to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you will have to swipe your finger from the side of your device to the center. As you can see, you will this arrow will appear, and you can release the finger and simply get back. It doesn't really matter from which side you will do it. It will work from the left and also from the right the same way. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, then just swipe your finger up fastly, just like that, and as you can see we've got the home page. And if you'd like to enter the recents, nothing easier, just do the same motion here, but hold your finger around the center, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got all previously opened apps. So actually that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your CUBOT Tablet Top 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.